How to merge Facebook pages. You can merge Facebook pages if they represent the same business or entity, have similar names, and are managed under the same business manager account. The process is done through Facebook page settings where you request a merge. So go ahead and open your Facebook page and then click on menu and then click on settings and privacy, and then under this go ahead and look for the general settings and then look for merge pages. Select the page you want to merge into your main page and then click on continue and then click on request merge. So what happens after merge? Likes and followers from the merge page are transferred to the main page. Post photos, reviews, and usernames from the merge page are permanently deleted. The merge page will no longer exist, and the process may take a few minutes to several hours. And that is how you can basically merge Facebook pages. Now make sure that you do have a business manager account to merge your Facebook pages.